Happy Friday! It is Friday at 8:04 a.m. and I am just leaving Whole Foods using my Touchland hand sanitizer in rain-scented water, or rainwater scent. Stuff is the jam. Get from Sephora. I need gas. Shit. So we are going to go get coffee, obviously from Java Joe's. I need my oat milk latte with a pump of hazelnut. And I already went and got my breakfast burrito, the tofu black bean breakfast burrito. I also got a ginger shot and my favorite Hawaiian pear green juice. Hawaiian pear with celery, kale, pear, pineapple, and spinach. So I'm gonna have that. It's so like winter wonderland out. Look at this. Wow. We have a lot going on this weekend, which you will obviously see. I bounced back super fast. I got a drink last night with a friend, and the drinks thought I was gonna be a little hungover today, but we fought through it. We did the freaking spin class. I did that, and then tonight we're gonna go to a hockey game. I've got to run a lot of errands first. So, did you see that snowfall back there? So anyways, let's just get into the weekend. If you're new here, hi, my name's Caroline. I live in Salt Lake City, Utah. If you're coming back, welcome. Or if you're here to just stalk and observe, you know, you can do that too. Anyways, oh, the snow. Ah! Okay, gotta go, bye. So we're pretty much done with our errands. I just got my toes done, like a really pretty like coral, like pink color. I'm not gonna show my toes on the internet, but I wanted to show you what I got at Sephora, and then I also am at Whole Foods right now. I came and picked up these activated charcoal capsules. This is like the best kept secret. It honestly might save your life one day. Not really, but it's a digestive aid, promotes absorption of intestinal gas. This is really good for that. I really like it. It's really good for just like stomach bloat. You know what I mean? If you have like a bunch of air in your stomach. So I'm gonna take 2 of those right now, actually. Like I take this all the time during summer. Like after you eat like a big lunch and you're in a bikini and you just feel like super bloated. This stuff is gold. And it's like all natural. Anyways, so I wanted to show you because I actually picked up some new stuff that I'm excited to try. I saw that Tatcha just came out with a body wash. So this is the Tatcha Forest Awakening body wash, and it said it was a gentle exfoliator. Cleanse and exfoliate with this body scrub. Tatcha has really clean ingredients. I normally use the Necessaire body wash and body scrub, but this is like, Necessaire has 2 products and this would just be 1. So got that. I also got, it wouldn't be a Sephora haul without a Caudalie product, right? So I got the Caudalie Instant Brightening Moisturizer. I've gotten this before. I just needed more of it here in Utah. I also got a new beauty blender. I roll through these beauty blenders like it's nobody's business. And then I also got the Nude Sticks Trio. So this comes with Nude Buff Blush, Terracotta Tan Bronzer, and then Bubbly BB Glow. So I really like Nude Sticks. It's what I use. It's like a normal like cream bronzer. But something else, it comes in these little containers, and I use these to when I travel for my jewelry. And it has like a little compact mirror in here too. Hey, can you see me? Let's see. Whoa, that's trippy. So I really like it for traveling. That's all I got from Sephora. Let's try this out. Oh, this is really pretty. Really pretty. And then I also like to put a highlighter here. Yeah, it's really nice. So anyways, super impressed. I love nude sticks. I was gonna try the Makeup by Mario bronzer that everyone's been talking about, but it just like, I sampled it and it just doesn't seem like, I don't know, I didn't like it. It like rubbed off really easily on my hand, which I don't like that. So, okay, so let's get home so we can get changed so we can go to meet up with my friend. We're gonna go to dinner and then go to the hockey game. Tickets were super cheap because Utah sucks this year, but you know, all for the experience, you know? So let's go do that. Good morning. Happy Saturday. It is Saturday morning, 8 a.m., 8:04. Is that better? Yeah. I'm just wearing my Skims like lounge pants right now. I obviously washed my hair. I got up this morning first, uploaded a YouTube video, and did a Sammy's Clark like 10-minute ab circuit, which was really nice. So I wanted to, what am I doing? I wanted to quickly show you what I do with my hair before I blow it out, and the products I use. So this is the Way leave-in conditioner. It actually acts as a heat protectant also, which is really nice. This is really good for like not making it feel so like fine and like stringy, you know what I'm saying? And then I section out my hair to brush it out. That way it doesn't like break. And then I use one of these wet brushes. It's gross. I use one of these wet brushes. There's nothing like fresh hair. Eating it. There's literally nothing like fresh hair that's just like detangled, clean, brushed out. We love. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Ordinary multi-peptide serum for hair density. I really like the Ordinary brand. Super clean, not very expensive. I've been trying to grow my hair out. I want it to be like super long. So I just go in here and take a couple drops and like literally just like stab it in there. Cool. Once that's in there, I just literally rub it. Lastly, what I'm gonna put in is this Color Wow Dream Coat Super Natural Spray. This is for humidity proofing. This stuff works wonders in the South. Here, I just do it because my hair gets like frizzy anyways from bleaching it so much. So I'll just go in there and spray it. And that's all we're gonna do. Now I'm gonna blow it out. I'll leave the like tools that I use. I use a Dyson hairdryer, and then I use a Revlon like round brush to finish it off, but I'm kind of in a hurry, so I'll see you on the way to Megan's baby shower. Yes, ma'am. Woo! Hello. It's 5:24. I got home from the baby shower maybe like an hour ago. I'm having some chips. I fell asleep. I have a friend coming over in 36 minutes. So I gotta clean my apartment and put on an outfit. Anybody else make plans when you're feeling social? And then when it's time to have plans? No, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Alright, we can get ready. Good morning, y'all. Happy Sunday. It is Sunday at 12:04 p.m. and I'm eating some dried apricots. Headed to brunch with Mary Copeland. I'm meeting Mary Copeland at Immigration Cafe. Y'all, we're gonna fall. Anyways, I didn't film anything else last night. I ended up just hanging out with my friend and going for a little picnic in the park, which was really nice, and watching the sunset. So did not film anything else. And then I forgot my vlog camera. I put it away last night when I was cleaning and like forgot to pick it up this morning. Yeah, slept in, went to boxing, now showered, going brunch. So that's all that's really happening for the rest of the day today. Yeah. Anyways, bye. Alright, y'all, I'm making dinner. Watching Friday Night Lights as I'm making dinner. So I just have pasta in here with some green beans and broccoli. I always keep like these frozen organic vegetables in the freezer for Sunday nights like this, obviously. And then I'm gonna throw in a couple of ingredients. So garlic, I get these garlic things from Trader Joe's. And then we're gonna do some Kerrygold butter. A little chunk of that. I'm Southern, so butter is so important. It's the only thing that I eat that's not vegan, actually, is butter. Then we're gonna go in with some Gotham's green pesto, super good. Just gonna finish this up, actually. Juice of half a lemon in there. I also cut up a field roast sausage. These are really good. The fennel garlic sausages. Then we're also going to do some nutritional yeast for some cheesiness. And then onion powder. It's really simple.